Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Mamelodi Sundowns have reportedly declined an offer of more than 30 million rands for the services of young winger Kutlwano Letlhako from an unnamed European club. Here is what his agent Matthew Moore says. He says, "It is very well published that our player Kutlwano has been trying to go to Europe. In this case, they offered more than 30 million rands, and Mamelodi Sundowns did not accept it." Those are the words of Kutlwano Letlako's agent. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Mamelodi Sundowns rejecting over 30 million rands for the services of Kutlwano Letlhako? Do you think that they are being fair on the player, and also maybe they are valuing him at a much higher price tag? Let me hear your thoughts. And in other news, Chicago Fire defender Mbekezeli Mbokazi's hopes of securing a move to Europe have been put on hold following a serious injury that he has suffered that has ruled him out for the rest of the Major League Soccer season. Mbekezeli Mbokazi's agent Bashir Michaels of QT Sport confirmed that Bafana Bafana defender will not be leaving the MLS during the current transfer window, despite attracting strong interest from Europe, with clubs in Italy understood to have been among his admirers. The setback follows confirmation from Chicago Fire head coach Greg Berhalter that the 20-year-old requires surgery after suffering a thigh tear, ending his 2026 campaign. Mbokazi enhanced his growing reputation with a string of outstanding performances for South Africa at the recent FIFA World Cup in the USA, Canada, and Mexico, prompting interest from several overseas clubs. A transfer had appeared increasingly likely, either during the current window or in January. However, here is what Bashir Michaels says regarding the injury. Any transfer from Mbokazi would require him to successfully complete a medical, and the current situation makes that impossible because the severity of his injury. Unfortunately, any plans to transfer the player will have to be put on hold. And she continues to say, "We've been working over the past week to determine the best course of action for his recovery. He will now head to Finland to work with a specialist and have the operation. There remains interest for his services, but at the moment, that's something we simply cannot explore because of the current setback." That's what Mbekezeli Mbokazi's agent Bashir Michaels said. Mbokazi is also expected to miss the African Cup of Nations qualifying fixtures in September, October, and in November, where South Africa will be aiming to qualify for the tournament, co-hosted by Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda, under Hugo Broos' successor. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Mbekezeli Mbokazi's setbacks? That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.